I have had these cards since Longview Comic Con of last year, and I have not opened them, or even for that matter, touched them, except for the few stuff that came in the question mark goodie box that I had. Well, I think I should more than anything open these and find out exactly what is inside. Now, I know all about Digimon Digital Monsters because I used to watch them on Fox Kids, but I've never watched the Japanese dub of it and everything. But this one right here was interesting. I didn't even know who the characters were, and they looked kind of familiar. Then I had to look them up, and they are from Variable Go. And Variable Go is a 2D Japanese fighting game, and believe it or not, it's a ecchi or Ergo series that was developed by and published by TGL for consoles and under their Geiga brand for home computers. I did not know exactly what Variable G is, and believe it or not, I actually have the first 3 episodes downloaded since I no longer watch TV. But yeah, I've never looked at Variable G before, so I'm definitely gonna look at it when I get a chance. But this was interesting. I'm like, okay, so I got Digimon trading cards and I got Variable Go trading cards. The series focuses on all the female martial artists, and the participants are required to promote various family restaurants by attacking as waitresses when they're not acting as waitresses when they're not fighting. Okay, so Variable G was released on the Super Famicom, the PC, the PlayStation, and Sega Saturn. 1995, 1996, and 1997, and 1999. I didn't know about this, but I think I have seen little screenshots and videos of it. But maybe that was so long ago. But anyway, let's get started with opening up these cards and seeing what's inside them. I'm probably going to put them in my drawer after opening them and finding out what's inside. Okay. First up is... I guess these are like picture cards, I guess? Yeah, puzzle card. It's a puzzle card. Okay. One half is, what's his name? Dang. But I know the attack. And, yeah. Another one is Angie Woman. I recognize that beautiful blonde hair anywhere. Another one is, Tai with Koromon. Oh, the other half of the Angie Woman. Next one is Matt with his Crest of Friendship. And it's labeled number 54. Number 57 of the puzzle card. And this one, oh, this one's Lilymon. I recognize that cute little outfit and long legs anywhere. Next one is from the episode where Tokomon came back. I forget what the Digimon are called. It's been a long time since I watched Digimon, but yeah, Matt and Tai and Gabumon are in the background. But anyone remember these Digimon? Because I don't quite remember them. The next one is a small little picture of TK and Patamon. And last but not least, a lovely holographic card with Tai and all the Digivolutions of Koromon leading up to Agumon. Very cool, very cool. I don't have all the pieces of the puzzle, but these are quite interesting. These are very nice. I'm definitely going to keep them. Okay. Alrighty. And now let's open up the Variable Geo card pack and see what's inside. I've never played Variable Geo before, or even watched the series, or even played any of the games, but I'm definitely going to look into it. I have the first 3 episodes downloaded, so I'm going to definitely take a look and see what it is. But yeah, it's an erotic series with the various fighters and everything. Well, I do like me some fighting anime, ladies, but dang. Okay. Number 98. Next card. I think this is the main female character. Well, I think it's one of the main female characters, but yeah, I have to look up the names of these characters. And I believe the description says she's 18 years old? Sorry if I'm not showing the back of the cards and anything. Sorry, you guys. Anyway, next one is a pink female character with pigtails. And I guess she likes money? Okay, next one is high kick. And this one, oh, well, she's given the bird. I would give the bird too, but FCC regulations won't let me do that. So yeah. Anyway, and the next one is shows she's a waitress for and dressed up as a bunny. So yeah, she's flipping the bird. And here's the card of her in her fighting stance. Here's another one. And here is the last one. And that's it. That is it. That is all the cards. But I didn't show the back of the Digimon cards. Let me show off the back of the Digimon cards. But yeah. If I collect all the other pieces, I can complete the puzzle. But yeah. And if anybody can read Japanese and whatnot, then yeah, you can feel free to translate. Tai and Agumon, what a combo. Seriously. And here is the last one. And that's it. That is it. Oh, there's 2 more. Sorry. Sorry. And here is the last one. Excuse me. And I like this one because of its hologram-like lookness and everything. But yeah, that's all the cards basically. I've had those cards since last year, and I never bothered to look at them or open them to see what all I had. I thought I should save them for a rainy day, but yeah. Alright, this was just a quickie video. I didn't really feel like making this into a full-length video, but yeah. See you guys later. See you peeps later. If you like what you saw and if you like the cards, then leave a like, leave a comment, and click on the subscribe button. And click on the bell to get notified whenever I upload. This is LeoHightower. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see all you beautiful sons of guns again next time. I'm definitely going to have to look up Variable Geo to see the gameplay and everything like that. But I bet more than anything it's going to be one of those urgy or erotic things with the fighting and whatnot. Oh, let me see. Okay, the winner of the tournament is awarded the title Virgin Goddess, as well as a large cash prize of 10 billion yen and a house erected anywhere on the planet she should be choose. However, when a given waitress is defeated, she will be forced to publicly strip herself of her own clothing. Self-fondling public masturbation may be forced upon the loser, and in the most exotic cases, the loser is gang raped, either in private or in front of an audience. In order to teach the so-called true shame of defeat. What the